Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are near the second waterfall which is on the way. So we have to go towards that side. Can you see this fall? This side? Yeah. So we'll go there and take some pictures and videos and I'll show you. This video would be very shortest video in the YouTube because this waterfall is very small. But in case if you're crossing the Adilabad highway, you can visit this waterfall on the way only. No need of trek. People who don't love to trek, please visit this waterfall. So we are very close to the waterfall. As I told you, we have parked the bike over there. You can get the bike over here also, but because of rain, there's some mud is there. Wow! Look at the falls, man. Very big field, huh? Kandago bros. So guys, this waterfall is so beautiful. I am mentioning again, but people who can't trek, this is on the way, this is the highway. You have to come from this way. If you are coming from this highway, you have to park over the vehicle here. But if you are coming towards the country road, there you can park it. Here also you can park it, but it's wet due to the rain. So nice guys. Look at the waterfall.